The late actor Irfan Khan's son Babil, who has been regularly sharing updates on his social media page, remembering his father and sharing his observations on the events that have unfolded in Bollywood recently, has shared a series of stories on his social media page where he brings up the issue of religious discrimination and how he is now fearful about attracting attention towards his religion. The late legendary actor Irfan Khan's son Babil has shared a series of posts on his social media stories where he asks questions about why the current political environment is creating hatred and dividing people in their hearts and minds against each other on the basis of religious grounds. आखिर ये दूरियां और ये फर्क क्यों? asks Babil. Take a look. Babil, who is a film student abroad, shares in his stories how for the first time in all these years, suspicion and fear have cropped up in hearts and minds of people distancing themselves from people belonging to a religion different from their own. बाबिल का कहना है कि उसके कुछ बचपन के दोस्त उससे दूरी बना रहे हैं because they have prejudice against the religion or implied religious identity that his family has. The young aspiring actor who is still studying also brought up the issue of how this year's school holidays have been modified to include the festival belonging to one religion but excluded another, which is an important festival for a minority religious group in India. Speaking about how he was advised against sharing the post and his thoughts on how the current political environment has created divisions between people and turned even childhood friends against each other, Babil adds that he is prepared to be attacked and caused abusive slurs for even making these comments. Babil कहते हैं कि वैसे तो वो लंदन में पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, लेकिन he loves living in India, Mumbai in particular, and lists his favorite activities including eating pani puri, traveling into the jungles, and enjoying being a part of large crowds. In fact, he even threatens people if they call him anti-national before responding to comments from his followers, some of whom are supportive and take him up on his offer of khana and gale milna, while others who responded to his complaint of holidays being cancelled got replies from Babil, who went on to clarify his stand further. Babil has been more vocal on social media in the aftermath of his father's demise, sharing memories of his dad, and recently wrote a long post about how his father struggled all his life to bring respect to Indian artists and movies, which according to Babil are still not studied or considered serious cinema in film schools around the world. Your father was an immensely gifted artist, Babil, and his contribution as an Indian actor to cinema is unmatched. We hope that you get a chance to make him proud with your talent, and hopefully ये माहौल भी जल्दी सुधरेगा ताकि आपको कभी अकेलापन या सोशल आइसोलेशन महसूस ना हो.